Hello everyone, welcome all to English Hub. So today we will learn infinitives, gerunds and participles. Infinitives are otherwise called as verbal nouns as they are used both as verbs and nouns. In the same manner, gerunds are also called verbal nouns. Both the infinitive and gerund are used as the subject and object of the sentence. While all infinitives have to along with the verb, the gerund has the ing ending. For example, to see, to run, to sleep are infinitives, whereas seeing, running, sleeping are gerund. Participles are otherwise called verbal adjectives as they are used like adjectives qualifying a noun or pronoun. For example, sing. Though the gerund and participles have the same form, they can be distinguished by their use. Gerund and infinitives as subject. For example, to run is to improve the body. Here, to run is infinitive. Running improves the body. Here, running is gerund. As object, I like to do service. Here, to do is infinitive. I like doing service. Here, doing is gerund. Then, predicatively used. My great ambition is to become a lawyer. Here, to become is infinitive. My great ambition is becoming a lawyer. Here, becoming is gerund. Some gerunds are governed by prepositions and qualified by adjective. For example, I spend my time in reading and writing. Here, it is governed by preposition. The class was engaged in silent. Here, it is governed by adjective. Some verbs have for their objects the infinitives without to, there, can, do, dare, may, must, need, shall, will, etc. As a second object after certain verbs like fear, hear, see, make. For example, I made him go. He heard the dog bark. The participle acts like a verb and so can have an object and be qualified by an adverb. For example, violently shutting the gate, he departed. Participles are used before a noun. For example, a dancing girl, a broken seed, etc. Predicatively, the children went out shouting. I heard the thunder roaring in the distance. To introduce an adjective phrase, seeing the crowd gathering, I crossed the road. Here, participle phrase qualifies the pronoun I. The special use of the participle is in the nominative absolute construction. For example, all attempts having failed, we abandoned work for the day. The second example, all being well, we will start our venture on Wednesday. In the above participle phrases, there is no grammatical connection with the rest of the sentence. Hence, the phrase is said to be absolute. The noun or pronoun in the phrase is in nominative case. For more exciting videos, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.